Welcome, students. We are going through this topic of the orthographic views and sections. So, today I discuss the problem number 3, that is draw plan, elevation and right hand side view of the given figure. So this is the given figure in front of you. You can see one arrow sign is there, that is means that we are standing this object from this side, and we have to draw the plan, elevation and right hand side view. So what is plan? Plan means it is the top view. The top view is called plan. The front view, whatever we see from this side, that is front view. So this is called elevation, and right hand side view means if we stand here, so this is my right hand side. So if we see from this side, this is our right hand side view. As you know, I have already told before that if we want to draw plan means top view, elevation, front view and right hand side view. So we have to draw, already we have to draw the front view here and top view below the front view, and the right hand side view means this side view. Right hand side view means we have to draw here in the left side of the front view in case of first angle projection process. So let's start now. This is the drawing. Here we can see this is an object. So here given a circle. This is a circle. This is a 3D view. So this is a circle. Circle here given the dimension 530 height means 540 into 30 height means 540 means its diameter. 5 means diameter of this circular portion is 40 millimeter, and the height of this, height means from here to here, this distance, height is how much? That is 30 millimeter. And another circle is there. Another circle, this is the hollow portion, inner one, this is the hollow portion, this portion is hollow. Another one is there, that is another circle, that is 520 into 20 depth means 5 means diameter of this circle is 20 millimeter, and the depth of this is how much? 20 millimeter. So it is not a throughout hole. Hole is up to how much distance, how much depth? That is 20 millimeter. Means this is not a throughout hole. The hole, this hole is not throughout hole. This is a blind hole. Means whose depth is how much? That is 20 millimeter. And here you can see from here to here, this is 75 millimeter. This side is 60 millimeter, and this height is how much? This height is given 10 millimeter. Means this height is 10 millimeter height, and there are four circles are there. 5, 10, 4 hole. 4 hole is there. 5, 10, 4 hole means 1, 2, 3. 3 holes we can see from this view, but another hole is there behind this object, this side, that we can see in the figure. But another hole, 4 hole means these 4 holes, 1, 2, 3 and another in the back side of this. So another hole is there, that is the number 4 hole, whose 5 means is diameter. The circle of the hole is how much? 10 millimeter, and depth is through hole. No depth is given means it is a through hole, means it is a through hole. So the hole is up to the 10 millimeter height, through hole, not a blind hole. Understand? Now we have to draw this orthographic, isometric, this is the isometric view, and we have to draw the orthographic view of this. as I told before, the rules is the same. We have to draw front view here, and right hand side view left side of the front view, and top view is below the front view. So let's start now. I am starting the front view from this corner. Here we can see the length of this side is how much? 75. So we take 75 from this corner. We take 75 from this corner to this corner. Suppose up to that portion this is 75. So draw a line here. As I told you before, 75. This distance is 75. Now the height is how much? Height is how much? That is 10 millimeter. So height is 10 millimeter. Draw 10 millimeter. For this line, this edges, we have to draw another line, 10 millimeter height. So this is, we draw another line for this edge. For this edge, that is how much? Length is 75 millimeter and height is 10 millimeter, as we can see here. So what is the center? This is 75, means take 35, 75, half of the 75 is how much? 37.5. 37, but take 37.5 from this side and this side also at the middle of 75, 37.5 means, suppose this is from this distance is 37.5 millimeter. So we draw a horizontal center line. We draw a center line of these circles. These holes are at the middle. No dimension is given from here to here and here to here. Means these holes are at the middle of this base. Middle of this base. These circles. So we draw a vertical center line. Now what is the height of this? That is how much? 30 millimeter height, and the diameter is 40, means we take 20 from this side. Suppose here this is 20, suppose this is 20, and this side also we take 20, and height is how much from here, from this top bed? Height is how much? 30 height. So draw two lines from here, 30 millimeter height. Suppose this is 30 millimeter. Draw 30 millimeter from this side also. So this is this portion, whatever we can see from the front, that is a rectangle. This cylinder, suppose cylindrical portion, we see a rectangle from this side, from the front view. Now sorry, another hole is there, so we have to draw the hole also. So we have to draw the hole also from this side. So we have to draw a hole also. So for this portion, just like this. What is the diameter of this hole? That is how much? 520, means take 10 millimeter. Here is 20, take 10 millimeter. Suppose from here to here, from this center line, take 10 millimeter this side and right side, and also left side also. So we can't see this hole from the where? We can't see this hole from the front view, means elevation. This is the elevation, this is the elevation. Now we draw the elevation. So we can't see this hole, blind hole. This is a blind hole, not a through hole. So from the front view, so it will be represented by the dotted line from here to here, that is 10. Dashed line from take 10 millimeter also this side. So this is also a blind line, and the depth of the hole is how much? That is 20 millimeter, means from here to here this is 40 and height, and take 20 millimeter from here. From here to here this is 20 millimeter. So this is the blind hole that we can't see, but it is there. We can't see the front view from this front side, but it is there. So it represents a hole is there of height 20. Now we have to draw the, sorry, some problem is here. So this is the front line, and now join this portion, this triangular. We can also see this triangular portion from the front, also this side triangular portion from the front. So join this. This is the, for this edge we have to draw this line, and for this edge we have to draw this line. Now this one, another thing is there, that is 4 hole. If we see it from the front view, means elevation, then this hole is in the front, and in this back side another hole is there. So we can't see only this hole, so we have to draw, actually this hole is back side of this hole, so we have to draw just this hole. This is also a blind, this is also a blind, not, this is a throughout hole, but we can see it from that side. So what is the center of this? The whole center of the hole from this side is 10 millimeter, and the diameter is the hole is also 10 millimeter. So take 10 millimeter as a center of this hole from here and draw a from 10 millimeter, and this is the center line of this hole, and the diameter is how much? This hole is 10 millimeter, so take 5 millimeter from this side and 5 millimeter from right side of the center, and we draw a dashed line for this hole. Understand? Just like same as draw in the right hand side also. Take 5 millimeter from this center line, take 5 millimeter here from this center line, and draw two dashed line that represent these holes. Whatever the 2 holes are there, but we can see it, actually this hole is just back side of this hole, so we have to draw only 1 hole. So now we complete the front view of this object. So I am highlighting this one. This is the front view of the object. This is the front view of the object. Sorry. This is the front view of the object. So you can see the complete front view of the object. Now place dimension here. Just height, as you know, you have already know it, that give the dimension 10, and from here to here this is 40, and also take the diameter of this circle, diameter of the inner circle also take diameter, and from here to here you can see this length also. Actually we can give the dimension at the bottom side, or means the top view also. So this is the front view. And what is the side view of the object? Now draw projection line. This is front view. This is front view. This is the front view of the object. It's a complete front view of the object. Now draw projection line from here. Draw projection line. Also you can draw the projection line. You draw the projection line from here. You draw only one line. This is the projection line of the there. Now if we see it from the right hand side. So this corner represent here, we represent here this corner, and this width is how much? 60. So means take 60 millimeter from this to this side. Suppose this distance is 60 millimeter. So we see the edge, this edge. For this edge we have to draw a line. This represent this edge. Another top edge is there. So this is 10 millimeter, as we see from in the front view. This is 10 millimeter. From this edge we have to draw another line for this height up to this millimeter, this distance. We have to draw another line for this edge. We have to draw another line. This line represent this edge. So this is this side, and you can see this is this center of this circle and the outer circle also at the middle of this 60. Means take 30 millimeter here, 30 millimeter from this side, and this side also take, total is 60. So take a point 30 millimeter from this side inside and draw a center line. Draw a center line. Draw a center line. This is the center line. Now this is the outer circle is 40 millimeter. So outer circle is 40 millimeter, means from here, suppose this is 20, from here take the center 20. 20 is here and 20 in this side also. Suppose from here to here is 20. So draw a line for this side. We draw a line here, and this is the another line. This is another line. So we can see this hollow, this circular portion, cylindrical portion, just like this from this side, right hand side. Now the hollow portion is also there. Hollow portion, suppose this is 25, means take 10 millimeter from here and 10 millimeter in this side also, and the depth is, if we draw a line, depth is up to that point. So this is a dashed line. So this is the right hand side view. 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 Now another thing is there, that this rib, one rib is there, that we can see from this side. This rib whose depth, whose thickness is how much? 10 millimeter. It is also from the at the middle of this edge. No dimension is given here. How much, how far distance from this side of this rib. So take this rib as a middle of this side. So take, this is the middle, this is the middle, this portion is here, middle. So take 5 millimeter here and 5 millimeter in this side and draw a line just like this. So this is this rib we can see just like this. So this is the right hand side view of this object. And mark the dimensions also, as I told before, the same process. Dimension, give the dimensions of the front view, top view. Totally dimension is given in either in front view, top view, or in this right hand side view. You have to give all dimensions, whatever it may be. Now front view and right hand side view I have already drawn here. Now we draw the top view of this object. Now we draw the top view of this object. Means if we see it from the top side, whatever we see from the top side, we have to draw here. Now draw projection line. In the top view, two circles are there. Understand? Now erase this line, because we have to draw projection line here. Yes, this lines, and draw a line from this center at an angle 45 degree. This one is 90 degree, so draw a line 45 degree from this midpoint, coinciding point, and the projection line. This is the projection line of this side, and this is the projection line from the top side also. You have to draw the projection line, and for this side you have to draw the projection line from here, just like this. So we got the total view from the top, whatever see we from the top. This is the length and this is the breadth. This breadth we are projecting here, this breadth from here to here, this point, and sorry, here two holes are also there. Because if we see from this side, then two holes are also there. How far distance? At a distance 10 mm as a center line. One thing is there, 10 mm from the center line. From this side, draw the center line, and two holes 5 mm and 5 mm each. This is the hole is for this side. Also take 5 mm. This dashed line, this represents the hole of these two holes. If we see two holes, we can see this hole is just behind this hole, so we have to represent only one hole for these two holes from this side view, right hand side view. So this one, so whole hole this is the center line of the hole, and from here we can draw also the whole lines. This is a line for hole. So this is the 10 mm hole that we can see from the top. This is a center line, center point, center of these four holes. If we see it from the top, then we can see four holes. So for these two holes, this one is this hole, and in the back side hole that we can see in this view. So this is the back side hole, this side hole, and the front hole is the center, means another hole is there and another hole is there. Actually this is the center line. So another hole. So you have to draw four holes here. So you have to draw four holes. Now, what's the center? This is the center of this cylinder. This is the center, and in the front view the center is this, and in the side view, right hand side view, center is this. So draw the projection line. We got the center also. This is the center. So it is this portion, extended portion. We got the center of this circle. Now draw a circle for this. Draw a circle for the outer side. This is the outer, for the outer side, and for inner side take this length and draw a circle here. So these two circles for this hollow portion, we can see it is from the top. Understand? Now we have to draw the rib. If we see it from the top side, then we can see these two rib at the center. So for the rib portion, we have to draw projection line. Also for this side. So this portion is the rib for this side. For this side rib, if we see from the top, and from this side view, if we see from the top, that is this portion. Actually, the bottom bed is circular at the corner. Some radius is there, the bottom bed. So whatever the radius is there, you just draw this radius at the radius is not given, so take 2 or 3 millimeter as a radius. This portion, some curve is there, draw just like this and join this line. Similarly, for this edge, whatever we see from the top, we have to draw this line. We have to draw this line, and for this edge, whatever we see that from the front, we see this line for this edge. Understand? So this is the top view. Top view. Top view is also called plan. Top view is also called plan. This is top view. This is also called plan, and front view is also called what? Elevation. Elevation. Now this is the front view is also called what? Elevation. So this is the elevation. This is the plan, means front view, top view, and this is the right hand side view. So plan, elevation. Now in this way you have to draw the 3 views of this object in this way. So this is the plan, elevation, and give dimensions all sides. Suppose from here to here, that is how much? That is 75 millimeter. Take write down 75. In this way, you can also, this is the width, means how much? This is 60. This is 60. This side is 60, means this is 60 from here to here. You have to draw all the dimension, every dimension. From here to here, how much? That is, and now it is the extended portion of the projection line. It is the extended portion of the projection line. Extended portion. Understand? Extended portion of the projection. In this way, we can draw the total 3 views and give all dimensions. This is how much? That is 540, means 40 millimeter. From here to here, that is 540 means 40 millimeter. And this one is 520 means this diameter is 20 millimeter. Understand? 20 millimeter here. This is also 20 and this is 40 millimeter. So I have already given in one view. So don't give it in the another view. It is not necessary to give every view. We have to represent every dimension in these 3 drawings. And this height also, this height is also how much? That is 10 millimeter. This height is also 10 millimeter. This is 10 millimeter. And the thickness of the rib that we can see here, this is the thickness of the rib. This is also 10 millimeter thickness. This is also 10 millimeter thickness of the rib. And thickness of the hole, that is, we can see that is how much? That is 10 millimeter thickness of the each and every hole. All 4 holes are same. So this is the diameter of this hole, and from here to here, from the center of the hole from this side, that is how much? That is 10 millimeter. That is how much? That is 10 millimeter. From this side to this. Similarly, from this side to this side, that is center to this side also, that is also 10 millimeter. So draw here the center line. That is also 10 millimeter from this side. Understand? So we are now giving all the dimensions in this way. This is the plan, this is the elevation, and this is the right hand side view of this object. As I told before, same, the rules are the same. So